Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. I'm Chef Pam, and on this episode of Cooking with Chef and More, we are getting ready to make an apple crumble, guys. It's going to be amazing. It is so delicious. This apple crumble is actually inspired by Mr. Make It Happen. Guys, when I saw that recipe, I had to make it for you guys. It's an excellent holiday dish or any dessert, guys. Okay, and if you want to learn how to make all kind of homemade food and dishes, all made from scratch, the easy and simple way, subscribe, hit that bell, turn on that notification, guys, because I've got a whole channel full of food and dishes that'll get you there. Let's get busy. So let's get into what we need for this. We will need half a cup of brown sugar, half a cup of flour, half a cup of rolled old-fashioned oats, cinnamon, a little baking salt, baking powder, a little baking powder, pinch of salt, and some cold butter, diced. Okay guys, so the first thing we want to do is make the crumble. And of course, we'll need our apples. Now, you can use any kind of apples you want. I'm using a combination. I've got some Honey Crisp and some Red Delicious. So you can use Granny Smith apples or anything else that you want to use, your favorite apple. So let's just go ahead and get started. We want to make our crumble first. So I'm going to mix in all of these ingredients right here. Get these mixed up together. Let's get our brown sugar kind of mixed up there. Just mix these together real good, and we're going to add in our cold butter until we have a good crumble. Now guys, on the cinnamon, you're gonna have to go to your taste. I would suggest to start off with about a teaspoon first. Taste as you go and see just about how much cinnamon you wanna add in yours. As you guys know, I'm not too big on measurement, so when it comes to the cinnamon, I know about how much I'm going to want in mine. Okay, so now we just want to add our cubes of cold butter. Go ahead and get this crumbled up, mixed up really good. Then after we have it mixed in really well, guys, we want to sit it in the refrigerator while we prepare our apples so that it can stay nice and cold. Hey guys, and we are pretty much there. Okay, so now that we've got our crumble all done, I've got most of my apples done, but you just want to take your apple and get it peeled, and then you want to slice it into thin slices, and from there, you want to put it into bite-sized pieces. Now you can peel your apple with a paring knife like I'm doing here, or you can use a potato peeler, or however you peel your potatoes, whatever your preferred method is. I'm sorry, not potatoes, apples. Come on guys, apples. Okay, these are not potatoes, these are apples. So get whatever you want to make sure that you get your apples peeled. And then we just want to go ahead, remove the peel, and you want to slice it all around, and from there make it into thin slices. Okay, so we have all our apples done. Okay, so we're going to mix our melted butter, and I will have all the ingredients in the description, guys. Melted butter. We're going to freshly squeeze some lemon juice in here, about a tablespoon. I always like to squeeze mine through a strainer so that way I can catch any seeds. Guys. That's about a tablespoonful. Put in our vanilla. And I'm adding brandy to mine, guys. You can leave this out and substitute it for water. I'm putting a little brandy in mine. Get all that mixed together. You want to add in 2 tablespoons of flour, along with a pinch of salt that I had in my flour. Mix that together. It's looking mighty good. It smells amazing. Add in your brown sugar. Get that all mixed in together. Okay, so now you just want to go in and put your apples in and get those all coated. Delicious, delicious, delicious. Oh my goodness. Guys, this is smelling amazing. This will make an awesome holiday dessert or anytime, guys. It's fall. Okay, guys, we're ready to build this apple crumble. Oh my goodness. We're going to take some melted butter. I'm just going to pour it in my dish here and just spread it around. I'm just buttering the dish, guys, to make sure everything comes out nice and clean. Nice and clean. Okay, so our dish is all buttered. So the first thing we want to do, guys, is add in our apples. You want your dish to be full, but you don't want it to overflow. They will sink down some though, so it's important to have a full dish. Flatten out your apples so that they're kind of even on the top. As you can see, we do have a full dish. We will be baking these in a 375-degree oven, and to ensure that I don't have a ton of cleanup, I'm going to do two things. I'm going to put my apples on another pan, and on top of that pan, I'm going to put a little foil. That way, if it runs over, it won't mess up my oven, and it won't mess up my pan, and I'll have easy cleanup. Okay. Little tip for you guys. Always make your cleanup as easy as possible. Easy as possible, guys. Okay, so now we're just going to top it with our crumbs. Let's put them on top here. Oh, this is looking and smelling amazing. I'm just going to kind of pile them on top here. Then I'll move them around. Guys, this is going to be delicious, delicious, delicious. Make sure your crumbs are all the way. Your topping is all the way. This is your crumble. This is good stuff. Yes. Okay. All right, guys, we're getting ready to go into a 375-degree oven for about 30-40 minutes. Okay, guys, our apple crumble is all out of the oven. Doesn't it look amazing? And I'm going to just simply top it with some nice ice cream, guys. Yes. We're going to seal a little piece of mint here for some presentation. And look at that, guys. Isn't that amazing? Doesn't that look good? Doesn't that look good? Now, you know we have got to taste this. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. It is time for our taste test. Yes. Doesn't this look amazing? Look at that, guys. Yes. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Okay, guys, you know I got to get a little ice cream on here, too. A little ice cream on here, too. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness. Ooh, I know you guys want a bite. Have a bite. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna rinse my spoon off because obviously I'm not gonna eat this whole thing because I gotta go here for another bite. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Oh, and with the ice cream, guys, you cannot beat this. I need to stop before I hurt myself. Guys, if you are not subscribed to this channel, go ahead and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell. Give me a thumbs up and leave me some comments. And if you are subscribed, thank you so much for your loyal support. I really do appreciate each and every one of you guys. And I will see you next time. The good Lord willing and the creek don't rise.